Yeah.
All right. So let me repeat. Our company is EBS, and these are the three main services we provide. The first one is the PestPro for pest control company, and the Shine Pro is for cleaning service provider. And the last one here is the Care Plus. Care Plus is IT support outsourcing. We provide the maintenance service for your computers, your networks, and your data, all that kind of things. Okay, so let's go to the next slide. These are some of our customer for PestPro customers. I think these are the people some of them you know, right?
Yeah. Into Pest.
Like Entopest, they're quite
Pest.
famous, and then like Mega Q, Pestmaster, Perfect. Perfect is from
Okay.
Malacca, and Saudi. This one is in Saudi, and then I think BioPest is in the Gombak there.
Yes.
Mega Q is in the Sabah.
I see.
Yeah, so these are some customers. And okay, this is a diagram to show the process of our systems. And you start from the marketing process. From here, you can key in your product and services that you provide into the system. And after that, in the sales process, you can key in all the customers' contact, like the person is under the contact and the company name, the company address, all under the organization. And the sales process also, you can use it to manage the sales cycle, like how to follow up an opportunity. And you can use it to do quotation. In this module, the quotation, you can key in the quotation, create a new quotation by selecting the product or services you previously key in. And you just select it and you can create a quotation, send out already. After that, if your customer agree on the quotation and want to place the order, you can create a sales order inside the system. You just click a button, it will copy all the detail from the quote to the sales order. And next is the operation guide. The operation guide will provide the service to your client based on the service contract and the job module. The job, you can set the schedule when you want to visit which customer, where's location. So this is under the job. And this is the instruction module. Instruction module is the place you write what are the work you need to do for each job. So you go to this place, what you need to do, you can create put the data here. Ticket is something like there are two types of ticket. One is the complaint ticket, means that if customer complain, you can key in and then you can assign this ticket to the technician. They will go to serve the customer or solve the problem. Another ticket is the job ticket. We call job ticket because sometimes job cannot finish. When you cannot finish a job, you can create a ticket to continue the job. So until you finish everything, then you can stop there. You can go many times because every time you go, you need to write report, right? You need to send a report to them. So this is how we
Yeah.
handle. Okay, then the sales staff, because it's the module to keep your information for your operation. Lastly, the invoices and collection. You can use our system to auto-generate invoice. We have 8 options for you to generate invoice. Because example, some of the job, you finish one job, you charge them one invoice. Some is different. They say every month you give me one invoice. Maybe there are multiple jobs in that month, so one invoice only. So that one is you bill them monthly. So there are many ways of invoicing. So this we have built-in this kind of function. You just choose the option you want, then the system will auto-generate invoice for you, and you just click approve the quotation, the invoice. It will send out to customer automatically. Collection is you can use it to collect money. Every time you collect the money, you go and mark the invoice, which one already paid, which one not paid. This is a function. Okay. So this is a system design, system flow diagram. Just to share with you the roughly what is the back end architecture looks like. Sales, this is a sales department. They use the quotation module, sales order, and the contact. Then the operation department, they will use the contract. Sorry, it's a contract. Contract means that you can manage a contract. every contract will expire, then you need to get the renewal, and then you also need a reminder to go and call them if you want to renew. And after you renew, you need to duplicate the old contract data to the new contract. There are many jobs you already performed before, and all the detail, like you go there to do what, you need to jaga, there's something there you must take note one, all things you write, all these are you already brought inside the system already. So the next season come, you duplicate the whole thing, then you follow the previous knowledge, you won't make mistake. So this is very important, so that the customer will feel like you understand me. You already told you last season, so now this new season you do the correct things. So this is the way to use this module. And we have jobs. Job is like the appointment to go to the places. And ticket, as I mentioned just now, you can use it for the complaint, and you can use it for completing the job. And field worker is your team on site. Like your team, you go everywhere one. So this is a field worker. Field worker use the web terminal. Web terminal is a browser based. You use a handphone. You can use a browser like the Chrome. You can install in your handphone, your smartphone. Then you can use all the information here. You can use to refer to the job list, what you need to do. You follow one by one, or the ticket. And then you have instruction there. When you update all the work you have done, you update the instruction. And GPS, we can record the GPS. Is your worker there or not? Are they at the right place? When they press the button, the system will record where are they. The ways is we integrate with ways. So the ways will, you don't know how to go, you just press the ways button. Actually, the button is called navigate. Press the navigate button, you will go to the launch the Waze software, and you bring you to the place. Okay, next one is a client, your customer. We have the web interface for them also. You can use it to let them sign the service form. Yeah, every time you finish work, the customer will need to sign a service form. So this is they sign digitally on your phone, and provide feedback also they can do, and they can tell you are they happy with your service or not. If they're not happy, they press the unhappy, then you know this customer, then you must take more effort to call them back, to serve them, to make sure they're happy. Okay, next one is the invoices. Invoices means auto invoicing. I already mentioned the options we have for you to do the auto invoicing. Yeah, so all the module here are actually integrated with the reporting module. Reporting you can use it, there's no limit. You can generate all the reports to get all the data. For example, you want to know the sales, how many quotations have been done for this month, and how many order that you created for this month, last month. All these things can be seen in the report, and you can pull the data over and generate a report. Then for operation, is there any job late or any job missed or anything that you can see from pull the data over. And for field worker also, we can do the same thing. Client also, if you can see from the report how many customers are happy about your service, you can see from the report. Invoices also, you can see from the report which invoice not yet paid, which customer always late one, never pay on time one, who owe you the most money, you can see from the system. Okay, so this is roughly the architecture. Okay, before we continue, I would like to ask a few questions. Okay, so these are the challenges usually a company face. So can you tell me, do you have some job you forget to go, you miss the job?
Yeah, got still.
Got so this is one of the possibility. So how about do you like sometime the job you done already, but you forget, you go and do second round?
Yeah, got.
You means you lose already and you cannot charge 2 times. You already do 1 time, the customer know you did already, you did, I don't want to pay you, I pay you 1 time. So this one got also got.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Then mistake in job implementation, meaning if you need to write the detail what need to be done in the job, then the technician go there to do. So if you didn't write properly, you ask them to do misting, they go there do spraying. So do the wrong thing. Do you have this problem?
I think less, not much.
This one less, okay. Then how about the service report missing? Like you have a technician, they go to service report, they're done already, they sign already, but they didn't bring back and pass to the office people. So you in this
Yeah, it
got such thing,
happens sometimes.
because this thing is very serious. The customer don't pay you because you don't have a service report to prove that you've done.
Yes.
So how about worker discipline? Like sometimes the worker always say they are busy and always say the traffic jam, but actually they can go one day can go to 5 sites one. They only go 3 sites because they say there are many situations. So do you have this for?
This one very hard to say
I don't
because
know.
I am driver for one man.
Okay, so this one we leave it first. How about this low visibility on sales performance, right? Like can you know that this month how much is the sales and then how much you can collect money or is the how many new customer new contract you acquire, that kind of thing. Are you able to see the data?
Yeah, this one
Can see
yes,
that
yes.
means no problem.
No, yeah. For me,
No
I'm
problem.
forget.
Okay. Then how about the forget to send invoice? You do already, but you forget invoice them.
Got
Also, okay, late contract renewal. Do you remember to renew them on time?
some, I think some.
Sometime on this
Yeah.
Okay. So these are the common thing. Other than that, do you have any other things you face that hasn't mentioned here?
Other than that, I think these all the most common.
Okay, so no other things. So these are roughly the situation.
Yes.
Okay, let's go to the next. Let's go to the next slide. Okay, now we'd like to show you the system. The system, we have a mobile terminal. The people on site, like the technician, they can use the smartphone, Android or Apple, they can use. And then to log in, every user must have a login. Then we can track the user GPS. We can record the check-in and check-out time. We can record the work performed in real time. That means that the worker can update what they have done on site at real time, immediately update database. Okay, so use a smartphone, original login, yes, okay, cover already. So another thing is the main system. There are two parts. Just now was the mobile terminal for the field worker, the technician outside. Another part is for your office one, your people in the office. So this one is the desktop part, the main system. You can log in using the common browser like Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, the kind of thing. After you log in, this is the dashboard. I call it dashboard. The first page you will see the landing page. You can see all the graph, all the latest data, what happened in your company. So this is a like executive summary for all the latest information. They just put it right in front of your eyes. Okay, the data is the latest